Hello, everyone. My name is Isabella, and welcome to my channel. So, this video is for my fellow YouTubers and upcoming YouTube content creators. Now, the essence of this video is to show you what I do to get the right keywords so that I can be part of the people YouTube is going to recommend. So, what I do is use the search bar. So I'm going to show you that. So let's head over to the screen. So we are on our screen now. How to use the search bar to get more views. Now the essence of this is to be able to get the right keywords for our video. Is to be able to get the right keywords for our video. So let's say we are looking for we're doing a video on how to make 4,000, how to get 4,000 watch hours on our channel. So we're going to search now on how. Now this is what came up. I've not even gone to the next word. Now this is what came up. 1, 2, 3. This one with the timer. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need this. It's showing timer because these are the previously searched stuff on this particular account. So let's remove and remove. So now we're working with this. This is showing us what people are searching for right now. How to grow your YouTube channel, how to run YouTube ads in Nigeria, how to cut and sew corset, how to use CapCut editor, how to grow on YouTube, how to get monetized on Facebook, how to get digital marketer, how to create an AI. Now, these are what people are searching for most. Now, the first two is talking about YouTube, which is still under what we are trying to create on, which is 4,000 watch hours for YouTube channel, right? So now we'll give this sentence: how to create your YouTube channel, how to run YouTube ads in Nigeria, how to grow on YouTube, and so on. So now let's continue the sentence to how to get how to get 4,000 hotels on YouTube. Now you have to pick this particular one. How to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, because that's what we are saying. And if you scroll down more, you're going to see that more are coming. How to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube fast. How to get 4,000 hours watch time. How to get 4K watch time on YouTube. Still the same thing, but said differently. How to get 4,000 watch hours. How to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in one day. So now, if you pick all of these things that they said that's being searched for right now, and then include it in your description, in your title, in your hashtags, you have a better chance of getting more views. So if I search for if I click on this now, let's see the first video that pops up. Now, this is the first video. This one is an ad. So this is the first video that popped up with 20,000 views 1 month ago. Getting 4,000 watt hours is easy. Here's how to do it. That's the title. Getting 4,000 watt hours is easy. Here's how to do it. They use the same title. You can see that. Now let's go down again. This guy said, do this to hit 4,000 watt hours easily. The fastest way to get 4,000 watt hours on YouTube, you need this. This makes getting 4,000 watt hours much easier. If you notice something in the titles that we have just read, the word easy, easier, easy is being added easily. quickly. So that word easy, how to get what thousand watch hour easy. So the first few ones that we've seen now. So now let's click on one of the videos and see what they did differently. Now this one has lesser views, 20k. This one has over 152k views 5 months ago, and this one is 1 month ago. So this one is more recent. So let's see what she did. Let's check out her description. We don't need this. So okay, so it says struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours and finally get monetized. You're not alone. That's her description. So now look at this. This timestamp is also very, very important. Very, very important, because the things that she said on this video being aligned in this timestamp now helps her to rank higher, in the sense that those keywords are being said or are in this timestamp, so it actually helps her video to rank higher. Now let's see. And if you notice, she only used one hashtag, just hashtag 500 subscribers. And we all know that aside from the hashtag we put in the description, we also have hidden hashtags that we put in our channel and under the video, the hashtags that are not seen. So the only thing I feel she did differently here is probably she used the right keywords in the hidden hashtags, and her title. She used the same exact title with the person that did the same video 4 months to when she did her own. So before you work on any video, you do your research about other people that have done it and their video is doing well. So look at it and see what you can do differently. Now let's go back and check out the video of the second guy that did this on 5 months ago.
Reaching your
5 months ago. So now the same timestamp. Now this guy did not really put much description on the timestamp. Just method 1, method 2, whatever, and all that. And maybe the reason why he has more views is probably because he has more subscribers. And he also used 3 hashtags. He didn't use so much hashtags. Okay, not 3, sorry. Now, 4,000 watch time, YouTube growth, how to grow on YouTube, YouTube algorithm, YouTube tips. So now, if I'm to do this video or a tutorial on this video, I would probably copy these hashtags and keep them aside. So to add them to the ones that I already got from the search bar. Because it's not just on the description you're going to put your hashtag. Hope you know that. So pick up those keywords and all of that. So let's do something different now. Now this is on YouTube. Let's head over to Google Chrome. Let's search for it on Google Chrome. How to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. Okay. Now look at this. We're going to videos. Which one came first? Give me 13 minutes, you will get 4,000 watch hours in return. Now let's see what this guy did differently that made this video to come up first.
Your life is underwater.
Sorry about that. Okay, so I think it's the same person, sorry. Dan, yeah, this is Dan, the creator. It's the same person. Now, the same getting 4,000 watch hours video with another title, the same hashtags, and maybe with a little difference, YouTube monetization, nothing serious, nothing special, but same video on how to get 4,000 watch hours, and it has so much views, 53 views. Now, how does this guy get so much views doing the same videos, the same title? Probably because he has much subscribers and probably came up with another method. So the bottom line is using the right keywords and not just making a video and posting. You need to do your research on other people